This video will show you how to replace the low beam headlamp bulb on a Toyota Matrix. This will be accessed from inside of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To replace our bulb, let's make our way into the engine compartment just behind our headlamp assembly. Now looking back here, we can see two bulbs. The one that's located on the outer side here would be our low beam bulb. Let's go ahead and take hold of that. We're going to turn it counterclockwise to dislodge it from the headlight assembly. Now once you have that out of place, we're going to continue on with our electrical connector. This does have a locking tab. Typically you can release this with your thumb. You could also use a small screwdriver if necessary. Just gently pry it up and away. We'll slide it out of place. Once you have it disconnected, a quick inspection for corrosion. And there it is, friend. Now, prior to installation of any brand new part, of course, we're going to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. For this, I'm using a clean rag, no type of detergents, which might make its way into the headlamp assembly. Now, I'm sure that that's in good usable order. We'll continue on with the installation of our headlamp bulb. For this, we're using a 9006 headlamp bulb. We'll carefully slide this in towards the headlamp. Turn it clockwise until it's completely locked in. Double check to make sure it's secured and continue on with your electrical connector. As for that electrical connector, we want to make sure that our locking tab's facing in the proper direction. We'll press it in and listen for an audible click. Make sure that's secured in place as well. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our vehicle's headlamp bulb. Now the process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. When you do these, it's a good idea to do them as a pair. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.